Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we, of course, are looking at the deployment of the Windows updates for this week. For this week on Tuesday was the Patch Tuesday security updates, the monthly updates to fix the security flaws in Windows. For now, the deployment doesn't seem to go bad. The background noise, as I like to call it, seems to be at the level, a normal level. Of course, we have some of these updates that sometimes take a little more time before somebody notices a bug or for enough people to complain about a specific problem. But for now, it seems to be rolling out pretty well. I've had some news about quite a few people that have the certificate, the key exchange update that enables the update of the secure boot certificates. So this is good news also. But for the rest, apart from a few unusual behaviors, some people have been mentioning that their PC restarted 2 or 3 times while the update was happening, which is something they're not used to in general. But yeah, updates sometimes can do that, depending on what you're doing also. Depending on the background processes, sometimes it might have to do more than one restart, definitely. But it is, for now, seems to be actually going well. So we'll cross our fingers that everything is continuing that way. Windows 10 also, the update for Windows 10 seems to be going well also. A lot of people have been saying, well, I don't have that .NET Framework update. Not everybody has it. Depends on the version of the .NET Framework, I believe. And also it depends if you have .NET installed also on your PC. So for now, as we are checking this out 2 days after the updates have been released, things seems to be rolling out well. If you have any problems, if something happened, if something unusual you want to share about the Patch Tuesday updates this week, please do so in the comments below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.